everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome. If you remember a few days ago, I took the challenge cards from my junk journal kit and this month, and they are also freebie on my Ko-Fi site. And I cut them up and I did a 5-minute challenge to see how many I thought I could do, and I don't know what they're going to be. I'm just mixing them up and spreading them on the table. So I'd like for you to post below before you watch how many you think I will complete. Do that right now. Just put 3, 2, 1, 5, 10. There's 10 available. And I will tell you, last time in 5 minutes, I did 4. And I have to say 2 of them were writing. And writing takes a long time. But I have all my scraps right here, so we'll see what happens. Anyway, don't forget about the gratitude collab. We have 9 collaborators with us. I'll put a picture on the screen, and Jovi and I are co-hosting. So all the links are below to our kits and everything, so check that out, and let's get going. 5 minutes. Here we go. All right, let's just pick this one. Number 1, write a gratitude list. I already did that. Okay, we're going to write a short list. Let's just write a short list right here. Just opened it up. Gratitude list. And we're going to say it's all about living in Oklahoma. Oklahoma. What am I thankful for in Oklahoma? Sunshine. Cost of living, my family's here, my immediate family, let's see, what else, it's pretty, we live here, it's pretty, okay, Oklahoma, all right, that's my story, I'm sticking to it. Okay, let's pick another one, and this one is number 7, incorporate a heart or hand motif into a page. Okay, so I do have my grandmother, and I've got Heart of Gratitude's already got hearts. So let's just add a heart pocket. How about that? So I'm just going to take a piece of my scraps. Here, this one's pretty. Might cut off a lot of that though. And I'm just going to I'm just going to do this at random, okay? I'm going to fold it in half. How many of you did this as a kid, right? Okay, I want to make a heart. So I'm just folding it in half. We're going to make it a pocket. All right. It's kind of a tall heart. We'll just put that on our page under my grandma's picture. Very special lady. And we're just going to glue it right here, making sure you can see what I'm doing. We're going to put that heart here. It can be kind of a hidden. Let's see what we're going to put in there. We put, let's see, I need something to put in about my grandmother. Grateful heart. How about grateful heart? Okay. Oh, I'm already down to 2.5 minutes, you guys. Okay. All right, so grateful heart. Just add that in right here. Didn't say I had to fully embellish it. I just had to incorporate a heart. Okay, that's 2. Number 2, create a tag that expresses thankful using scraps. Okay, so I have a tag already. It's not really embellished, so let's use this one. Let's add a little bit. And let's see, what can we add for thankful? Let's see. Thankfulness. I have my words here. Oh, my time is going really fast. I think I'm going to get one more. Do you think I can do one more? Let's see. It depends on what it is, I guess. Okay, so let's do... Ooh, let's not do that one. Let's do it on here because this one's not really embellished. And let's do it this way. Whew. Using scraps. This one's already got scraps. Is that cheating? Maybe not. Okay. So I've got about 1.5 minutes. And we're going to just jump into one more. So it looks like 4 is going to be about my limit here. Here's my thankful tag. Okay, one more. Let's grab this one here, and it says make a pocket for tucking away gratitude notes. Okay, let's make a pocket. We can use this same scrap here. I'm just gonna cut that white part off, and I'm gonna use this part to make a pocket. I have 47 seconds. Maybe we could pop that in there. Okay, let's just put it right here. That looks good. And we're just gonna pop this pocket in here. Really simple. Just making it a simple pocket. And I don't know if that one's too wide to go in there. Nope, it'll fit. Barely though. Let's see. Let's put the little happy ball one in there. So 15 seconds. Hello, autumn. Let's get that on there. And fun, fun, fun. So 4. And time is up. Slide that in. All right, so a pocket for gratitude notes, a tag. Here's my tag. It's not totally finished. My heart. Where's my heart? Right here. And then my list of why I like living in Oklahoma. So I just kind of scribbled that, but I'm going to put Oklahoma. There we go. So I got 4. Again, only 4. I keep thinking I'm going to do more than 4. But when you have to write, that takes a while. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this, and I appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.